Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use our favorite tagging option. So in your account, when you're logged in, you have the option to add products to favorites. So you can do that just by clicking the little heart next to a product, or if you are inside the product itself, you can also choose the heart down the bottom. That way you can add a specific variation to your favorites list by adding your favorite from the product page, or you can just click from the main product selection any products that you want to be able to access quickly at a later date. You can also add products to quotes, essentially from a made to measure configurator to your favorites, but I'll go into that in a later video. So to tag your favorite products, this is basically a way to create an organizational system around your favorites. So if you have quite a few products, maybe 20 or 30 products within your favorites, this can be a way for you to quickly access ones in a way that makes sense to you. So to tag your favorites, all you have to do is click here on this tag option within the favorites page, and then add a tag for whatever you want it to be. So if you want to tag products by a particular category or by job or anything else to make them to group them together in a way that works for your products, you can create the tag and then click apply. You can add multiple tags to a single product. So I can say that this product applies to both job 1 and job 2, and then we'll click apply. And then when you close out of it, we have a job 1 and a job 2 tag available here. And I might say this product here is also job 1 and apply that there. And then I might say this one though is going to be job 3. Apply. So when it closes, we can see we now have job 1, and if I click on that, I just get the 2 products that are tagged job 1. If I click on multiple tags at the same time, then I can get the full list. So if I've got job 1 and then I click job 3, then you'll see the 3 products that are tagged either job 1 or job 3. And then to unselect one of these, you just click it again. So when I click that again, it's now removed job 3 from my filters. And to view all of them, you just make sure that none of them are selected, and then you can view all of your favorite products. Now this is useful to email if you want to email yourself or a list of products for a specific job. You can add those products, tag them with that job, and then when that tag is selected, you can then print or email that list of products to yourself. So if we click into email, we can then see what that job is, what we've got selected when we send that or print that list, and that's a very quick way to print off a list of products and pricing if you need to. Likewise, you can also email it to yourself by entering in the email address that you want to send to, and you can add a message as well. And if you want to add a product directly to your favorites, if you know what that product SKU is, you can actually do that by typing it in to this page as well. So I can type that in and then click enter, and that's added that product directly into my cart, so into my favorites list. And then I can add a tag on there, and I'll say, yep, this one is also job 1, and apply. And then when we click out, that's applied those tags to those products. So you can see if I click job 1, that's now added that Tekform drawer into that job 1 option as well. So that is how to organize your favorites.